Hey, it's Mikey Mike. Hey, we are going to fix our Thule box. We had a one of the lifter shocks break on me, and we're going to replace. We got one off of Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can check it out. If you got the same kind of problem I have, we'll see how hard or easy it is to fix. All right, here we go. All right, we got the standard XL XXL box, smooth box here, Thule box. And the rear shock right here, which I have right here as well. This is the one that came on Amazon, and we'll see if this one fits. It says new Thule. Let's get this thing opened up and see if we can get this thing done. Sticking a little bit, and you can see the back is not quite opening. It has a white piece sticking out there, so we'll try to set the camera up there and see if we can figure out how to get this out. Popped right off. Let's see if we can do the lower. Go. And you can see the damage. It just broke out. So let's grab the new one. Alright, so he's got a little clamp here. So the clamp. So here's the clamp, and I got it on the metal piece down here on the bottom where the metal is. And it should just snap right in. Let's give it a turn. There it goes, pops right in. Let's open the spring. Do the top. We can try to do the same technique. All right, here's the old one. You can see how this plastic piece or spring-loaded thing here busted off or popped out, the little retainer. And the only difference I can see between this and the one I got is this has a little rubber coating. I tried to peel back just to make sure there wasn't like an Allen screw in here or something like that. But the it just interference fits and pops in on the little ball, swivel ball. It's a little tricky to get out, but it seemed like it worked out okay. All right. All right, this is Mikey Mike. A quick Thule box repair, worked really good. Send you the link down in the Amazon link down in the description so you can get the same one I got. Seems like it has a lot of pressure. I'm probably gonna have to replace the front one here as well soon, because it seems a little weak compared to this one that I just put in. Also, what I think is causing it is the box heats up because it's black and I'm in the desert area. So I'm gonna end up painting my box white because I put a lot of surfboards and things like that, and it kind of can affect my surfboard. So I'm gonna paint my box white, kind of match the car a little bit, and we should be good to go. All right, man. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button. Peace.